Welcome to Smart Tech, the channel where we explore the latest advancements in agricultural technology and agroengineering.
Krone is the king of corn harvesting. Its self-propelled silage harvesters gently pick up the stalks from the ground and feed them into the chopping chamber. There, powerful drums chop the crop to the required length, and the feeding system evenly distributes the mass into the transport. The machine manages perfectly the harvesting process, ensuring a clean cut and optimum loading. The modern Asian radish harvesting machine works with maximum precision and care. It carefully digs the root crops out of the ground with the help of plowshares, after which brush rollers remove excess dirt and soil residue. The radishes are then lifted onto a conveyor belt, where they're sorted and shipped into containers. With high maneuverability and fine-tuning, Damcon multi-track gantry tractors provide delicate plant care while minimizing damage and increasing productivity. The design allows you to work in areas with row spacing from 28 to 59 inches, making them ideal for tilling strawberries, blueberries, deciduous and coniferous trees. The AgBot with spraying system is an advanced solution for spot application of pesticides and fertilizers. Equipped with advanced sensors, this autonomous robot analyzes plant and soil conditions to determine where treatment is needed. Spraying is uniform and precise, greatly minimizing chemical overspray and reducing environmental impact. Flaming corn is a new solution for weed control in organic cornfields that utilizes propane burners. The process begins with an even distribution of propane, which is then ignited, creating a powerful flame stream. The burners operate at a flow rate of 20 gallons per minute, providing fast and efficient burning of excess vegetation without the use of chemicals. The Jade 5750's unique design with two vertical shafts and specialty paddles provides uniform mixing of various components including hay, silage, and grain. This machine can handle up to 1,500 pounds of feed per load, accelerating the feeding process and reducing labor costs. The optional high travel loading feature allows it to be used on various terrain types. The Certa 40 from DeWolf is a highly efficient 4-row potato harvester capable of forming 35.4-inch wide ridges immediately in the field. The machine first prepares the peeled tubers before distributing them to the stackers, which precisely form the rows. The unique design ensures optimal placement and minimal crop damage in the process. The DeWolf self-propelled potato harvester with 2 rows ensures efficient and fast potato harvesting. It starts with potato row picking, where powerful blades lift the tubers out of the soil, minimizing damage. Harvesting takes place at speeds of up to 3.1 miles per hour, and the integrated cleaning system effectively separates root crops from soil and vegetation. The Guaresi single-row conveyor harvester gently grabs the tomato bushes, cuts them off at the base, and feeds them onto the conveyor belt. The plants pass through a vibrating separator that removes leaves and small impurities. The ripe tomatoes are separated and sent to the sorting table, where the final cleaning takes place manually or automatically. Kirovet's K7 tractor stands out among its analogs due to its powerful design and versatility. With a 250 horsepower unit, it confidently copes with the most complex tasks, from tillage to cargo transportation. The hydraulic system, compatible with a wide range of attachments, allows the tractor to be quickly adapted to specific needs. The DeWolf carrot harvester, together with a John Deere tractor, provide the perfect duo for precise and efficient harvesting. The flexible digging system gently digs out the carrots to minimize damage to the root crops, after which they're transferred to the auger conveyor. Special cleaning rollers remove dirt and stones, and the carrots are then carefully loaded into the hopper or onto the trailer. The new Teagle Telehawk T2 requires no tractor connection and is a telescopic straw bed that connects to your telehandler. Works perfectly with a hydraulic tailgate for greater maneuverability and easier loading. The Telehawk T2 provides flexible handling with its 280-degree swivel chute and Bluetooth controls. The Telehawk T2 is also part of Tomahawk's extensive range. After the first pass with the V-shear, all the debris will be on the ground. That's when a new technique from Savannah comes into play, producing its own 1200 series of rotor rakes specifically designed to pick up debris after the cutting process. There are two groups of rotary rakes, the 1206-1207 for light debris in the form of short sticks and small stumps, and the 1240, 1250, and 1260, capable of picking up long, full-grown trees and large stumps, and which can also significantly level the ground surface.
The Mengel SF300 Combine Harvester is the benchmark for convenience and efficiency in the agricultural industry. Don't be surprised, but in addition to its compact dimensions and clever design, the machine is capable of delivering excellent results in the field. In the latest version, this machine is equipped with a rear hopper, which increases its capacity and simplifies the harvesting process. In addition, the integration of 4 weight sensors allows for accurate measurement of the weight of each corn sample area, which is an invaluable plus in precision farming. With these innovations, the SF300 not only delivers high productivity, but also provides farmers with accurate data for yield analysis, making each season more predictable and profitable. Meet the true all-terrain vehicle, a machine designed specifically for working in extreme conditions, such as marshes and difficult terrain. The H0 system, designed for windrowers, features a track system that not only provides optimum clearance to the cutter bar, but also maintains the necessary ground contact for stable operation. The 30-inch wide tracks and 27.5-inch axle height ensures that the machine maintains the perfect balance between off-road capability and efficiency, making it ideal for demanding agricultural operations. The 9000 series Rule Caterpillar tracks provide added stability and reliability in the toughest conditions. Are you ready to take your farming operations to the next level of efficiency? The TM1210 and the TM1410 trailed mowers offer just that, allowing you to work large areas quickly and efficiently. With a cutting width of 17.7 feet on the TM1210 and 20.8 feet on the TM1410, these machines maximize productivity on every pass, and their compact 9.8-foot transport width makes it easy to move between fields. The mower's clever design leaves no chance for residual grass, ensuring a clean and even cut. You'll agree, we have some pretty powerful tools here. Here's the perfect cotton picker that makes the process not only efficient, but also pleasant to watch. This powerful double-row machine gently and carefully picks the delicate cotton, placing it in a closed hopper. And you know what? Watching it work is a pleasure. You see how each step is carried out with the utmost precision and care for the quality of the harvested material. So, this harvester doesn't just harvest the crop, it ensures it's in perfect condition thanks to clever technology and high-quality workmanship. Meet the new heroes in the world of agricultural technology, the heavy-duty HDSR step rippers from Degelman. If conventional tillage isn't enough for you, these guys will come to the rescue. The HDSR goes up to 24 inches deep, which is a record for a ripper. And with 45 inches of clearance under the frame, you'll have plenty of room to get all those rocks and plant debris through the machine with no problem. Furthermore, changing work items is now safer and easier, which will save a lot of time and nerves. The Zurn 110 is a combine harvester, and it's so compact that it looks like it could fit in your garage. It's ideal for those who want a clean, unadulterated grain harvest. This machine is easy to operate and does not require complicated setup, which is especially appreciated by breeders and small experimental farms. Moreover, there's no need to worry about transportation. Thanks to its lightweight and compact dimensions, the Zurn 110 can be easily moved between fields, even if they are far apart. And thanks to its modular design, this combine harvester can be customized to suit any needs and wishes. The Grimm Prios 440 is characterized by its modular design, which offers a wealth of customization possibilities and provides a high level of operating comfort. Thanks to its unique design with goose drawbar, intermediate frame, and separate lifting mechanism, this machine allows you to work the soil with any standard tool. At the same time, you can apply fertilizer, granules, furrow dressing, and liquid fertilizer, and plant potatoes at the same time. The Grimm Prios 440 is a true multifunctional assistant for your farm, which makes your work in the field more efficient and convenient. The SP3255 sets new standards in the world of big bale stackers. This machine is capable of picking up massive bales right where the baler left them in the field, and does so at incredible speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. Whether it's alfalfa, straw, or corn stalks, the SP3255 can easily handle 3x3, 3x4, and 4x4 bales. If you're looking for a machine that makes harvesting faster and easier, the SP3255 is the perfect choice. The Krone RX loader trailer, equipped with the Optigrass cutting system, sets new standards in the professional segment, ensuring the highest forage quality and maximum productivity. The multifunctional loader trailer offers a transport volume of 33 to 40 cubic meters and is ideal for loading and dosing green forage, as well as for use as a transport trailer in forage harvesting equipment. With the high-performance Optigrass 28 and 37 cutting units, the Krone RX guarantees a neat cut and uniform forage placement, thus increasing efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Meet the new Krone Squadro Model TC1570, the largest four-rotor rake on the market that doesn't just rake, but does it with flair. With a unique V-shaped frame, this rake not only amazes with its performance on areas of up to 51.5 feet wide, but also provides an incredibly smooth ride and ease of use. And if you thought that was the max, here's the Squadro TC2000, the big brother with 6 rotors and a working width of up to 62.3 feet, which promises stability and quietness in even the noisiest work. Squadro TC1570 roll widths range from 4.6 feet to 9.5 feet, while Squadro TC2000 roll widths range from 5.2 feet to 9.2 feet. Watering tomatoes can be a spectacle too if you have a Casella PLMP 150-480 irrigator. It's not just a hose reel, but a real technological powerhouse with an integrated motor pump that helps you achieve an average yield of 130 tons per hectare. And how does it look in action? It looks great. No wonder watering tomatoes can be a real spectacle with this equipment. The Vervet Hydrotrike is perfectly adapted to work in hilly terrain. Thanks to the 5x5 all-wheel drive system, this machine can apply fertilizer efficiently even on slopes where special power and stability are required. In addition, the Hydrotrike is equipped with a hydraulic pump that delivers 175 liters per minute, providing 130 horsepower. An upgraded 3-point suspension system has replaced traditional leaf springs, improving shock absorption, especially at the front of the axle. The system also includes a tilt sensor that automatically locks the suspension on a particular side when a tilt is detected. However, you can see in the video that it's on level ground that the machine performs well. Here it is, a true all-rounder. The Vervet Machinery Q621 self-propelled beet harvester has its name for a reason. The Q in the name means that the machine has 4 wheels, and the 6 indicates that the harvester harvests 6 rows of beets in one pass. And the 21 at the end indicates that the hopper of this machine holds 21 tons. The CS beet cutter is installed in the nose, and the heart of the machine is a powerful DAF PACCAR MX390 engine with 530 horsepower. And to ensure that the beets get to the storage or processing area without any problems, a loader such as the DeWolf R7050 can often help. In Chandler's young walnut orchard in Greece, the X16 harvester shows its best. Forget walnuts, this guy is working with something else. With a large hopper capacity, it handles the crop without too much interruption. But what's really impressive is how the X16 manages dusty conditions thanks to the dual motor filters, providing peace of mind in even the hottest conditions. Truly, the X16 is a cool nut harvesting machine that makes hard work easy and efficient. Proven technology is combined with convenient and practical functions, all in the latest generation of Vitasem mechanical seed drills, to guarantee simple and precise sowing for all farmers. the Vitasem machines have been modernized and optimized to the maximum. Their proven technology is now combined with an even easier operation. And you know, this is the hallmark of mechanical seed drills from this company. With Vitasem seeders, you can lay the foundation for healthy growth of future plants. Whether you're working with silage or hay, on flat or hilly terrain, Pottinger Hit Tedders from Pottinger deliver perfect results everywhere. The innovative Dynatech rotor technology ensures the cleanest possible spreading and maximum forage protection. The working widths of the 4 Hit HT models 28.2, 34.75, 41.65, and 55.77 feet guarantee maximum impact force. Despite the large working width, the power required for tedding is still low. Thanks to the trail design, the tractor does not need any lifting power. With the Hit HT tedders, small tractors can work large areas of land. A number of companies are developing autonomous feed mixer models, and among them is Strautmann, which has introduced its all-electric, 3-wheeled, in-house designed 41 cubic foot, 3-wheeled feed mixer. The eVerti Feed 1251 is a new self-propelled 400-volt battery-powered 40 kilowatt per hour self-propelled feed mixer with 2 electric motors to drive the mixer and hydraulic units. The market launch of the new Strautmann eVerti Feed 1251 electric feed mixer is scheduled for the middle of the current year, 2024. Ropa has developed the new Mouse 6 beet loader with a significantly larger cab and networked workstation in a class of its own. This new model from the technology leader in beet harvesters has been given a new, modern design. The exterior of the Ropa Mouse 6 already symbolizes digitization and agriculture 4.0. The panoramic cab of the modern design creates a feeling of spaciousness and rises to 16.7 feet in working mode. A new computer, joysticks, and 2 12.1-inch terminals create intuitive operation. The driver's seat, with swivel seat and integrated ventilation and heating, is a visualization of technological leadership and the beginning of a new era of network communication in sugar beet loading. SmartTrac's T8 Genesis models are progressive in traditional tractor design, combining the benefits of a wheeled tractor in the field with the passing and traction advantages of a tracked machine. Designed in-house specifically for the T8 Genesis series, and available on the T8.410 and T8.435 models, SmartTrax is not just an alternative to rear wheels. Drivetrain modifications ensure maximum power and torque are transferred to the tracks for reliable performance in the most demanding applications. The combination of steerable front wheels and SmartTrax provides excellent traction. The electrically driven front wheels provide the maneuverability of a conventional tractor, and the Terralock differential lock control system keeps the tractor running smoothly, unlike 2-track machines. With high traction, the T8 Genesis SmartTrax provides the most optimal balance between power and performance. The Rollabar 230 extends raking widths up to 30 feet, providing tremendous capacity to reduce the number of passes needed to get the job done, thereby increasing overall efficiency and productivity. It's ideal for raking swaths produced by self-propelled mowers with heads up to 19 feet wide and center pivot mocos. The Rollabar 230 is easy to adapt to the field and crop conditions. You can change the height and tilt of the basket with a simple turnbuckle adjustment, and the intuitive control box allows you to make changes on the go without getting out of the tractor seat. Plus, using the red and blue buttons on the control box, the Rollabar 230 folds to a width of 10 feet 8 inches for easy maneuverability and confident transportation to your next location. The new Speedrower Plus series is the most productive, precise, and powerful self-propelled mowers ever built by the New Holland brand. The Speedrower Plus series offers superior handling with advanced sensor drive electronic control, increased productivity with the industry's highest speeds, easy-to-use precision land management, or PLM solutions, and the most comfortable ride in the company's history. The new Durabind Plus disc cutter bars are designed to take advantage of higher speeds and improve cutting and conditioning quality. The Cabbage Harvester FHT1 is a tractor-drawn machine for harvesting vegetables. This machine consists of 2 frames with hydraulic folding system. The center belt is about 23.6 inches and has 2 hydraulic maneuvers for height adjustment. The top of the center strap is up to 47.2 inches long, and that's the part that goes to the trailer. The center box is equipped with an anti-roll system. Hydraulic maneuvers are operated by electro valves, and the control unit is mounted inside the tractor. What's also remarkable is that all important features correspond to the standard model of this machinery. The machine can also be customized with different measures according to all customer needs. H2-Track EOX 175 is a diesel-electric tractor that does not necessarily need to sit directly in the cab. The operator can control the machine via a special application on a tablet or phone. According to the developers, EOX means electric bull. The company is specially chosen for the name of this type of animal, which is actively used in agriculture. The transmission of the machine and the implement holder is electric. The technique is powered by a rechargeable battery. To increase the range or operating time, there is already onboard a range extender, a power source that generates energy to recharge the battery pack during operation. With four-wheel steering, the turning radius is 31.5 feet, and the track width is adjustable from 7.4 to 10.5 feet. In this video, all the advantages of the self-propelled spraying machine series, Horst Lieb 6.300 to 7.300 PT, are presented in person. The first of these is the stainless steel tank with a capacity of 7,400 liters. The ergonomic front cabin of the Class brand is also worth highlighting, as well as stability and comfort thanks to the cross connection at the level of the suspension system, which avoids the phenomenon of rocking back and forth. This equipment has a powerful 310 horsepower FPT engine equipped with 3 variable flow pumps, one of which drives the oversized motor wheels, whose power has been increased by 30% compared to previous models. And most importantly, you get reliable and precise application thanks to the proven Horst boom. And what's more, the machine has an automatic nozzle change system that ensures quality spraying regardless of travel speed. The Horst Pronto 7 DC is a universal sowing machine that is ideally suited for different crop types, sowing conditions, and different tillage techniques. In addition to classic crops such as wheat, rape, and barley, the machine can also be used to sow intercrops or grasses, and with the optimized pneumatics, even uncultivated spelt can be sown. Thanks to the new frame design, the Pronto 7 DC is slightly lighter than previous generation models and can be coupled with the same tractor. The low traction of the machine helps to reduce soil compaction. With its excellent working width, the drill is quick and productive in sowing. Compared to the Pronto 6 DC, the new model works a 118-foot wide strip in only 5 passes, while its predecessor worked in 6 more passes. This saves up to 20% in fuel, time, and reduces the impact of compaction on the soil. The SPW power range complements the current SPW Intense Twin Vertical Auger self-propelled mixer models, designed for very heavy use and available at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. The SPW power design takes advantage of the SPV model's advantages of compactness and maneuverability. The mixing tank, with 2 vertical augers located between 2 axles, has capacities from 59 to 72 feet cubed. This new series provides access to 72 feet cubed of usable volume with an overall height of less than 10 feet. The VisioSpace cab, the Kuhn Connect connectivity system, and finally, the 4 standard steering wheels provide exceptional user comfort. Kuhn has developed self-propelled silage mixers to meet the needs of livestock producers with a focus on reducing herd feeding time. Kuhn has released and officially launched its new self-propelled autonomous feeder, capable of serving up to 280 cows on a livestock farm. Aura, as it's called, operates autonomously. With the help of GPS and RTK system, it's able to move autonomously around the farm, collecting and distributing feed to numerous animals. Built-in loading and weighing modules calculate the exact mix of feed additives, including grass and corn, as well as the necessary supplements and concentrates. Mixing and chopping speeds can be adjusted to create a uniform feed with a palatable consistency. The 56 horsepower diesel engine enables the machine to operate for a week in continuous loading and feeding mode, making the Aura a truly autonomous assistant.
The Vermeer 504 picks up grass clippings or straw and turns them into dense bales in just a few passes. The machine picks up the material from the ground and feeds it into the baling chamber, where a system of augers and rollers compresses the material to the desired density. When the bale is formed, an automatic strapping system secures it with netting or twine, and then the rear lid opens to unload the finished bale carefully. Vermeer's BW600 is a packer that turns individual bales into sealed lines for long-term storage. First, the bale is fed onto a platform where the machine wraps it tightly with a special film. Then it moves smoothly along the conveyor, thus creating a continuous sausage of bales, protected from moisture and mold. This method of packaging helps to reduce feed losses and simplify logistics. The big bale stacker is the ideal tool for stacking large bales quickly and neatly. First, the stacker lifts the bales from the ground with the grippers and places them on its platform. Then it stacks them neatly, forming the most even and stable stacks for further transportation or storage. Krone EasyCut allows two trailed mowers to be used simultaneously by attaching them to one machine. In combination, this provides a working width of up to 42 feet. At the same time, each mower functions independently without the need for modifications. The result is maximum efficiency when working large areas and reduced mowing time. Damcon rippers are a precision weapon in the fight against weeds. They penetrate the soil, gently loosening it and cutting weeds right at the roots without damaging beneficial plants. Thanks to the tractor's gantry design, several rows can be cultivated at once, which significantly increases work speed. The Oxbow harvester is a powerful green bean harvester designed for quick and neat harvesting. Special grippers lift the plants, then brush rollers and a drum mechanism gently snip the pods, separating them from the stalks. The beans are then transferred to a conveyor belt and carefully loaded into containers, keeping them intact and fresh. The Oxbow 6420 is a machine sharpened for harvesting high-density olives. Flexible combs reach through the trees to gently shake off the fruit, while the shaking system is customized for different varieties to avoid damaging the branches. The olives go straight onto the conveyor belt and then gently into the hopper. The machine ensures quick picking, minimizing loss and damage, which is especially important in dense plantations. The Oxbow 9120 raspberry harvester is a highly efficient raspberry harvesting machine that ensures quick and accurate harvesting. It's equipped with special grippers that gently lift the berries from the bush, minimizing damage. During operation, the raspberries pass through a filtration system where leaves and debris are separated, and then the berries are carefully directed into the hopper. Flying autonomous robots from Tevel use a cool combination of computer vision and artificial intelligence to accurately pick fruit. Using built-in cameras, they scan trees, identifying ripe fruit and analyzing its size and color. The robots navigate along predetermined routes, picking the fruit with a special customized arm that gently removes the fruit and prevents it from being damaged. AgSeed is ideal for preparing sandy soils for carrots, using innovative technology to increase efficiency. The robot is equipped with a precision control system that analyzes soil characteristics and determines optimal cultivation parameters. Its tools, such as cultivators and rippers, penetrate to the specified depth, effectively mixing and improving soil structure. The Jacobsen Gang Mower is a high-performance mowing unit designed for mounting on standard vehicles. The inline mower system ensures uniform grass cutting, while the ability to adjust the cutting height allows you to adapt to different conditions. Hydraulic steering ensures easy maneuverability and reliable operation, even in difficult terrain. And this machine is a high-tech solution for automated layering of potatoes.
It uses an automatic distribution system that ensures the potatoes are filled evenly and neatly without manual intervention. The root crops pass through a mechanism that sorts and places them in predetermined layers. Built-in sensors monitor the stacking quality, ensuring minimal damage and loss. The young carrot harvester works according to a cleverly designed principle to maximize efficiency. In the first stage, specialized blades lift the root crops out of the soil, carefully cutting them from the roots and minimizing damage. The carrots are then transferred to a conveyor system where they're first cleaned of soil and unwanted vegetation. Afterwards, the crop is sent to a hopper where its integrity is maintained. The tiniest nut picker for almond trees uses vibrating technology that gently shakes the fruit off the branches, avoiding damage to the tree. The system is attached to the trunk or main branches and the shaking process then begins. The fallen nuts are collected in wide platforms and a special conveyor belt moves them to a special storage compartment. The Pick-Right tomato harvester features a unique vibratory separation system that gently removes the fruit from the bushes, minimizing yield loss. The harvester grabs the plants, trims them, and then guides them through sorting screens and brush rollers that remove foliage and small impurities. The fruit passes through vibrating sieves that separate ripe tomatoes from unripe ones. The Guaresi pepper harvester gently grabs the plants and cuts them with powerful knives at the base, after which the peppers are transferred to a conveyor belt. The conveyor belt gently carries the fruit through a cleaning system where leaves and stems are removed, preserving the integrity of the crop. The Spaperi 741 is equipped with grippers that gently hold the tobacco stalks, after which the integrated knives cut the leaves at the desired height. The cut material is then transferred to a conveyor belt, where it's all sorted and cleaned. The leaves are then moved to special crates for neat storage. The process is all automated, eliminating the need for manual intervention and increasing productivity. The Richard Western is an innovative system for safe gripping and transportation of top-clap bales. The system works on the principle of automatic bale locking, ensuring that bales are held securely during travel. Special clamping mechanisms effectively compress the top of the bales, preventing them from shifting and falling. And this one significantly optimizes haymaking processes by allowing you to use one tractor to drive two balers at the same time. The system shares power, which reduces the need for labor and equipment. During operation, the tractor drives both balers, doubling the amount of hay processed. Wilson Supermove is a self-loading cart specially designed for efficient handling of round bales. The principle is simple. The operator simply guides the cart to the bale, and the system grabs the bale itself. Comfortable wheels ensure easy maneuverability of all types of terrain, and the robust construction guarantees a long service life, even under intensive use. The Nexat is a new generation smart tractor that makes life easier for agronomists thanks to its modular design. This versatile workhorse can easily change attachments, whether it's seeding, fertilizing, or harvesting. Intelligent sensors in the system monitor soil and plant conditions, automatically adjusting operating parameters to maximize efficiency. The advanced design of the Hurricane Model 24 trailed cultivator features powerful tines and a depth control system, allowing you to fine-tune the depth of cultivation based on soil type. Special rotary tines penetrate the soil, breaking up dense layers and improving aeration. The combination of a John Deere baler and a New Holland tractor turns the haymaking process into a well-oiled machine. The powerful tines of the baler gently grip the crop and transfer it to the baling chamber, where uniform and dense rectangular bales are created.
New Holland provides stable traction and speed, and its hydraulic system controls the baler efficiently. And this trailer is equipped with a hydraulic roof and a 130-degree opening tailgate for convenient loading and unloading of bulky materials. Hydraulic controls simplify the process by providing quick raising and lowering of the roof and a high degree of tailgate control. Stinger machines provide fast and efficient bale stacking and transportation. First, the gripper lifts the bale and gently places it on the platform, where it's secured with special clamps. The hydraulic system then shifts the bales to form a tight stack. The integrated elevator allows the stacks to be gently unloaded at the destination point, minimizing the risk of damage.
The popular El-Ho Scorpio 550 stone picker has a big brother. The Scorpion 710 has a working width almost 6.5 feet wider than its counterpart. Well, the pickup's wider rotors significantly increase productivity. The Scorpion 710 features an electronically controlled valve block that can be used with a tractor equipped with LS hydraulics or with an optional hydraulic block. Load-sensitive hydraulics speed up hopper tipping. The large stone picker can be easily operated from the tractor cab using the control unit with color display. The control unit allows, for example, precise adjustment of the working depth. The pickup rotors sift the soil even more efficiently. The spiral pattern of the inner tines removes the soil to the side, while at the same time lifts the stones to the center. You can now see on your screens how the ditches are cleared during the annual fall maintenance with the Mary Pete OJK 1.3 auger ditch digger. By the way, deep cleaning is accomplished in just one pass. The Mary Pete ditch digger is also equipped with a 200 horsepower agricultural tractor. OJK screw trenchers are the ideal tool for working on peat bogs in all conditions. The auger effectively cuts through any trees, roots, and stumps in bogs, and ditches can be made even in heavy frosts. Only one pass is required to create a clean ditch to the maximum depth. The peat is spread a long distance on both sides of the ditch and evenly distributed over the strip. You're looking at the ultimate revolution in stump removal. The combination of the Model 1720 stump removal equipment and Savannah rotary rakes is the most productive method of converting planted forest to a stump-free condition. When used together, you can convert post-harvest stumps into window stumps at a rate of 20 to 40 acres per day with 2 tractors, 1 stump remover, and 1 rotary rake. Convenient, easy, and very productive. Meet the Rosensteiner Kip Top 2 Basic Hoof Care Stand, the pinnacle of innovation in veterinary and animal care. This standard equipment features a mechanical sliding head protection door that opens downward and adapts to any position of the animal's head, providing easy access and improved safety. Hydraulic tensioning of the abdominal belt ensures a secure hold, while centralized control allows the operator to effectively monitor all processes from the workstation. A high-quality Bosch Rexroth hydraulic power unit with a 1.8 kilowatt electric motor ensures smooth operation and high productivity. This makes the Kip Top 2 Basic ideal for fast and safe hoof care, making the procedure less stressful for the animals and more efficient for farmers. Meet Samco Systems Cool Trailer Wagon, a masterful addition to a large combine harvester. The convenient wheeled wagon attaches to the tractor and follows perfectly alongside the combine in the field, ensuring an efficient and smooth harvest. Designed to maximize productivity and ease of use, this trailer greatly simplifies the harvesting process, allowing the combine to work more efficiently and reducing the time needed for harvesting. Thanks to its durability and reliability, the Samco Systems unit will become an indispensable assistant in any agribusiness. The Force 325 mini tractor has a cool sidekick, the power tiller, which work together to create a highly productive and reliable piece of equipment for quality tillage. The power tiller is designed to ensure precise and deep cultivation of the soil, improving its structure and promoting better plant growth. With a powerful engine and robust construction, the unit can easily handle tough working conditions, demonstrating exceptional durability and reliability. With its compact size and maneuverability, the mini tractor is ideal for use in confined spaces and small plots, giving workers maximum control and ease of operation. Have you ever wondered how you can grow fresh produce right amidst the hustle and bustle of the city? Vertical farming from Vertical Field makes this possible. This outstanding method allows you to cultivate healthy and natural produce on ondoor urban farms where every square inch is utilized to its maximum potential. With the vertical arrangement of plants, the farm takes up minimal space and requires little maintenance. So, soon everyone will be able to enjoy fresh, pesticide-free vegetables and herbs from every such local farm. What does the future of agriculture look like? Monarch Tractor offers a glimpse of this with its all-electric tractor that not only eliminates exhaust fumes, but also serves as a multifunctional solution. It works as a tractor, an ATV or all-terrain vehicle, and a powerful generator. With the ability to operate autonomously, the Monarch is equipped with roll and collision avoidance systems and a 360-degree camera for complete control. It analyzes up to 240 gigabytes of data daily, optimizing field processes and increasing yields. The Monarch Tractor is not just a machine, but a revolution in the agricultural industry. How can technology transform your farm? Meet Robot One, a revolutionary robot equipped with 14 cameras and a dual GPS antenna. It's ideal for large plots and effectively combats weeds, making manual weeding a thing of the past. With Scan and Act, the Robot One automatically tends to the first 100 meters of the field, keeping the plants in perfect condition. It not only removes unwanted weeds, but also collects data, creating an accurate map of each plant's location for precise treatment later. Give Robot One the power to simplify the care of your crops, bringing innovation to your farm and increasing its productivity. The AVIC standalone laser bird repeller, distributed in South Korea by Bird Control Korea, is a high-tech solution for protecting crops and objects from birds. This device uses advanced laser technology to effectively repel birds, minimizing the risk of them damaging and falling on their protected areas. The reliability and innovation for which Bird Control Group is renowned makes this repeller an indispensable tool in combating bird problems, ensuring peace and order whenever it's needed. The Power Rake wheeled rake is the ideal tool for medium to small plots, where a moderate amount of crop needs to be harvested. Equipped with independently moving levers, these rakes are highly adaptable to the terrain, enabling efficient swath formation, even on difficult sloping terrain. Their unique design facilitates material collection and provides excellent swath formation, making harvesting cleaner and more organized. Power Rake Star Rakes combine functionality and convenience, making them an indispensable tool for efficient farm management. Hoopman Machines stands out in the market for their focus on the design and manufacture of specific Holaris onion processing machines. As you can see, their range of machines includes topper, onion harvesters, and topper cutters, each built with reliability in mind and equipped with advanced technology to ensure efficiency and precision in onion processing. These machines are specifically designed to maximize productivity and reduce the physical effort required during harvesting, making the process more economical and less labor-intensive for growers. The K3000 is a revolutionary harvesting machine, especially for coffee beans, designed to work on various land types. With the ability to adjust the side slope by 30%, weighing 18 pounds and measuring only 10.5 feet wide, this machine has simply outstanding maneuverability. These features make the K3000 an easy to transport from one plantation to another. The model is equipped with an advanced steering system and provides easy maneuverability, even in areas with narrow row spacing, allowing you to quickly move from one coffee row to another. This ability makes the machine the ideal companion for efficient coffee harvesting, where every minute counts and every bean counts. Looking for a versatile solution for the care of your green spaces? Amazon presents Grasshopper, a mounted mower with top-notch quality and reliability. This tool is equipped with a container capacity of 1,350 to 3,500 liters and offers working widths from 4.4 to 6.9 feet, guaranteeing high performance on larger areas. Thanks to its versatility, the Grasshopper is ideal not only for cutting grass, but also for scarifying, mulching, and collecting leaves and other debris. You can be sure that this mower will become an indispensable assistant for professionals who value quality and efficiency in landscape maintenance. How to improve the application of liquid manure to your fields? Amazon introduces the Catros Plus 7003-2 Pro, a self-propelled machine with a 3-point working width of 23 feet, as well as the trailed Catros Plus compact disc harrows with working width from 16.4 to 19.7 feet, and the Catros Plus 03-2TX Pro, which covers 23 to 29.5 feet. As you can see, these machines are part of a special Pro package designed to handle liquid manure, which not only provides increased protection for compact disc harrows, but also helps to increase their functional and operational safety, as well as extend their service life. Take a look at how perfect rectangular bales can be created with the right equipment. This technique ensures that every corner of the field is processed flawlessly and in the shortest possible time. Indeed, words are almost unnecessary here. It's better to see this machine working in the field once. The efficiency and precision of this machine not only speeds up the work considerably, but also ensures a high-quality harvest. KWS, together with the University of Göttingen and the Institute for Sugar Beet Research, have decided to tackle weeds in a new way with robots. As part of the project Future Live, they tested robotic systems to combat pesky weeds in sugar beet fields. It sounds like science fiction, but it's reality. To think about it, robots that make sure our beets are healthy and weed-free. Things like this not only make farmers' lives easier, but also make agriculture more planet-friendly. Meet John Deere's new Hagee STS sprayers with See & Spray's premium technology, a real breakthrough in weed control. Not only will this machine help you significantly reduce herbicide costs, saving over 50%, but it will also increase the cost-effectiveness of your operation. With its high clearance and front hybrid boom, the sprayer is ideal for different conditions and allows for effective weed control in any season. The new Hagee STS sprayers show versatility and high performance in one package. Well, now you see the ROC RT 840M, an attachment that knows how to surprise with its flexibility. With it, you can change the working width from 19 feet 6 inches to 27 feet 5 inches thanks to a dual hydraulic system that allows you to adapt right on the go. When the pickups are connected, this technique can unload hay to the right and left, and when separated, it can unload between the two parts or into the middle. And although it cannot be folded for road transportation, the functionality in the field makes the technique an indispensable assistant on the farm. At Site VI 2021, they presented a new product, the Extend XPN, which is an improved version of the XPS model. This electric weeding monster is ideal for those who deal with narrow vineyards. AI, you don't just have a machine here, but your own personal gardener who keeps everything in perfect order. If you think taking care of your vineyard is a headache, see how the Extend XPN takes everything into its own hands, or rather, into its mechanical paws. Are you already familiar with the state-of-the-art TrackX control system? This thing is a true master of control that will cooperate perfectly with your machinery. The thing is, the system is equipped with RTK precision to follow the machine perfectly, both in straight lines and curves, making it easy to control and shortening your work time. And the best part is that whatever your job, you only need an ISOBUS screen. So forget about a number of extra screens or boxes in the tractor. Everything can be simple and straightforward. When you combine a Zurn John Deere breeding tractor with a Zurn D62 SF seed drill, you get a truly lightweight and flexible seeding system. This combination offers all the advantages of a self-propelled machine, but without losing its versatility thanks to the attachment system. In addition, the drill has a 3-point hitch and comes with standard 4-wheel drive, allowing it to operate even at idle speed, and the Zurn D62 can also be equipped with many additional options to meet your exact needs. With this equipment, sowing will not only be easier and more convenient, but also more productive. Krone has launched 2 new and powerful bow mowers, the EasyCut B 880 CV-CR Collect and B 1050 CV Collect. These machines are equipped with air conditioning as standard and can be optionally supplemented with cross conveyors. In addition, with the EasyCut B 1050 CV, You can combine swaths using the cross-conveyor augers. These mowers are ideal for those who are looking for efficiency and power in the care for large areas. In a mature South Australian almond orchard, the Kelly Model 1204 is hard at work. This disc harrow is not just a machine, but a Swiss Army knife for farmers. It handles pests with ease, turns post-harvest residue into fertilizer, and prepares the soil for new crops. All thanks to its unique rhomboid-shaped system, which allows you to adapt different discs and spike chains for any task. And all this without the traditional heaviness. Looking for an easy and economical way to prune and prune vines? Introducing the new Combivity series from Baling. It's a handy kit that includes a tool carrying frame and a choice of 3 attachments: the Precision Clear Pruner, the TRP, the Pre-Pruner, and the Stripper, all based on precision clearing pruning technology, which has been developed and tested by Baling for decades. Combivity helps to mechanize vine pruning fully, reducing costs and optimizing the process. The ideal solution to reduce costs, speed up pruning, and solve the problem of labor shortages, making complex tasks easier and less labor-intensive. The ASA Lift TC1010 is a trailed single-row cabbage harvester that makes harvesting easy and efficient. This machine is equipped with an unloading elevator and special cleaning agents that automatically remove excess leaves from the cabbage. Thanks to this approach, harvesting becomes not only faster, but also more convenient, ensuring high-quality processing of each cabbage. Harvesting radicchio has been made easier with Ortmec's new Radicchio Harvester Agevolator. This machine, although only half automated, makes the work of the operators in the field much easier. The workers are still involved in the process, but now they can concentrate on the quality of the harvest while the machine takes over the hard and tedious part of the work. I'll tell you this, it accelerates the process and helps to maintain high standards when harvesting your salad plant. In this video, you'll see how the Bale Bandit 200 makes hay harvesting a real spectacle in action. Notice how this machine skillfully binds hay bales right into the field like a farm superhero. See how agilely and quickly it gets the job done, making farmers' work a little easier and more fun. In agriculture, where labor is always in short supply and costs are rising, many farmers want their tractors to be more than just tractors. They want them to be able to perform the functions of a combine harvester. It's for such needs that BCS has developed a new product, the Reaper Binder with front control on the tractor. This device transforms an ordinary tractor into a versatile machine that can not only plow the land, but also harvest it. Easy to operate and efficient, this device opens up new possibilities for farmers, helping them to optimize resources and increase productivity in the fields. Here's something you definitely haven't seen before: picking strawberries while lying down, and with neck support at that. Sounds like every gardener's dream, doesn't it? The Rohand 2 makes that dream a reality. Such an outstanding harvesting assistant can be used not only for strawberries, but also for asparagus, onions, and a host of other crops. It's also ideal for weeding work. With the Rohand 2, you can forget about endless grueling days in the sun. Now you can concentrate on your crops in comfort, avoiding back pain. This is what a real breakthrough in agricultural technology looks like. Meet the Grunner apple-picking trailer that knows how to pack both empty and full crates. It easily befriends your combine to pick all varieties of apples, making harvesting more automated and efficient. With its dual-level design and remote control, you can operate everything from the picker to the rear axle, all from the comfort of your favorite chair. And if the size doesn't fit, no worries. Grunner allows you to customize the dimensions of your trailer to perfectly fit your unique needs. Isn't it beautiful? During the first field test of the new Pluckotrack combine trailer, one tractor with forks was engaged in transporting containers between the orchard and the storage area. If there are significant distances between the picking site and the storage area, it's recommended to use large capacity trailers and reload bins on the headland. But this is just part of the big picture. Soon, a tractor trailer will be available that can haul up to 3 empty and 3 full bins at a time, expandable to 4 bins. I'll say this, using forks to move one garbage can in this case was a temporary measure purely to test the technique. Look out for the Krolik PSH-3 hydraulic garden platform, available with optional 4-wheel steering for improved maneuverability. This feature becomes a real lifesaver in modern gardens, where narrow row spacing can create problems for bulkier machinery. With the ability to turn all 4 wheels, the PSH-3 maneuvers easily between rows, making it easier for gardeners to work and more efficient. The Jumbo Forage Harvester trailer has been designed for maximum productivity and maximum efficiency. It offers harvesting with unrivaled cleanliness, the exceptional reliability of a pickup trailer, the flexibility and capacity of a transport trailer, precise chopping quality, and the high performance of a forage harvester. The new Jumbo series thus combines the key functions of forage harvesting and transportation in one machine. Servo 3000 with 3 to 5 bodies is the middle of Pottinger's mounted reversible plows, designed for medium-sized tractors up to 200 horsepower. The plow impresses with its simple adjustment center and a wide range of customization options. The proven body of this plow, in combination with various additional implements, guarantees perfect incorporation of crop residues as a basis for the following harvest. Swedish trailer manufacturer Ivarsson's Metsjo has launched its Metaflex 4X 4-axle hook lift. The new hook lift has a lifting capacity of 30 tons and accepts Scandinavian and European standard containers with lengths of 19.6 to 24.6 feet. The technique is based on the Metsjo gear shift system with telescopic cylinders that work in synergy. The system does provide a very fast tipping process and low dead weight. Despite 4 axles and a 30-ton payload, the Metaflex 4X weighs only 6 tons, which means it lifts a weight somewhere around 5 times its own weight. Just look at the most perfect stone fruit picker: plum, cherry, olive, and hazelnut. It's designed as a standalone unit that is simply attached to the tractor using a PTO transmission and standard couplings. The weight of such a machine is 0.85 tons. During work, it rests on the ground, and during transportation, it's carried by an auxiliary wheel. The machine is operated by a minimum of 2 workers, a tractor driver and a fruit crate picker. And what's great is that through the use of this fruit picker, the degree of cleaning on each tree is more than 95%, with complete removal of impurities, leaves, branches, and other things. Furthermore, with it, you can smoothly change the amplitude and frequency right during the workflow. The 4-row Enduro screening combine from DeWolf has become one of the most important players in the self-propelled combine market. With a 2-section hopper providing a comfortable capacity of 9 tons, this machine claims to be the largest in its market segment. The combine also offers excellent traction, even in the most difficult conditions. Finally, the Enduro is the clearest and easiest machine to operate, and all thanks to its ergonomics and absolute ease of operation in the cab. The new John Deere 8000 series of self-propelled forage harvesters are designed for an important purpose: to ensure you can produce even higher quality silage more efficiently. The benefits include the new ProStream crop feeding system and redesigned chopping drum, which work together to maximize throughput. You'll also be pleased with a functional, comfortable cab with panoramic view, plenty of space, and intuitive controls and displays. Think intelligent forage management. The Harvest Lab 3000 system measures and documents both dry weight and component content in real time for accurate silage quality analysis. You see the Guardian self-propelled sprayer with front boom from New Holland. With a ground clearance of up to 6.5 feet, it's one of the highest in the field. This means it can be used to spray crops at all stages of growth. This model has 410 horsepower, a 7,300-liter tank, and booms up to 138 feet wide, which together allow you to treat more acres in an hour. Its high-tech cab provides maximum comfort, clear visibility, and control over your work thanks to more space. The Guardian's tight turning radius allows for fast, precise turns on the headland, reducing crop damage and easy maneuverability in the most demanding situations. Small livestock operations that produce round bales on their own schedule need simple equipment that is built to last. That's exactly what the New Holland Roll Belt Model 450 Utility Plus baler provides. This easy-to-use baler truly combines the proven performance of a super sweep pickup and mechanical filler with a rugged, legendary roll belt design. What's more, it maintains a low power consumption of just 45 horsepower at the PTO, perfect for smaller utility tractors. New Holland has created the new T8 Genesis from PLM Intelligence. From an updated cab designed to make driving experience as comfortable as possible, to intuitive next-generation controls that can be easily customizable for the task at hand, every detail has been carefully designed to meet your needs. The new T8 Genesis is the first tractor on the market to fully integrate New Holland's advanced PLM Intelligence platform. So wherever you are, you'll always be able to access real-time statistics, information, and support. All these developments and innovations have evolved to create the most intuitive tractor you could ever imagine. The three-wheel reaper binder harvests wheat, rice, oats, barley, etc., and automatically binds the bundles in one operation. The use of BCS reaper binder ensures almost 100% straw harvesting and complete grain recovery with minimal shattering losses. This not only saves time, but also proves to be very economical and profitable due to lower operating costs compared to manual harvesting. Harvesting, reaping and tying is done at the rate of 1 acre per hour and diesel consumption of 1 liter. You see the Taylor Farms cool automatic cabbage harvester, one of the most revolutionary machines in the industry. Having done away with manual harvesting in the past, this automated harvester is essentially the sort of mobile factory that provides ergonomically correct harvesting conditions. In doing so, the machine does a decent job of combining the productivity of manual staff with a 50% reduction in labor costs. And how this machine works, you can see right now on your screens. This is a seedling transplanting machine with a rotor system with clamps, which is designed for transplanting bare root grape shoots, cuttings, both for flat and sloping land. I'd also like to point out right away that the TH100 from Spaperi is an incredibly versatile, flexible, and highly productive machine. This machine is essential for precision transplanting, which requires cross-checking the straight and diagonal lines of the planting pattern for the control units for connecting the machines to GPS, RTK, and automatic tractor steering systems. The Victor Z is a special self-propelled harvester designed for the professional harvesting of currants and black currants, and is an excellent solution for plantations from 30 to 40 to several hundred hectares. This harvester utilizes harvesting systems based on 2 V-shaped shakers. The system works in conjunction with the optimal geometry of the bush transition through the shaking unit. The use of the oscillating linkage guarantees almost 100% harvesting efficiency without damage to the bushes. Thanks to this, it's possible to harvest up to 20 tons of very high-quality berries from just 1 hectare of planting. Joanna 5 Premium is the newest model in the series of combines in the same name, which is designed especially for those customers who need a specific machine for processing tall bushes. This machine excels in a variety of berry plantations with row spacing of 11.5 feet or more. The Joanna 5 Premium model is especially designed for harvesting chokeberries, rose hips, and other crops that can be even up to 10 feet tall. Thanks to the longer cross conveyor as well as the longer shaker, this combine is characterized by increased productivity, and at the same time, it does not damage the bushes themselves. Thanks to the modern hydraulic system, this combine can be equipped with rear swivel wheels and a side leveler. This machine consists of a cross-shaped frame with hardened steel disc chains with sharp edges attached to its 4 open sides. The concave interchangeable discs are suspended together by hinges to form a flexible unit whose weight can be varied between 176 and 265 pounds per foot by means of additional segments. These particularly heavy chains provide optimal adaptation to soil structure due to their weight and mobility, and according to the company, are designed for more aggressive chopping of hard crop residues than classic disc harrows. Flegel promises to significantly reduce operating costs through simple tensioning of the wide chain pulley frame and consequent savings in herbicides, which is a particular advantage in weed control and resistance. The Olivion electric shake rake has been specially designed to make olive harvesting easier and more profitable. This technique combines maneuverability and lightness, while keeping the tree and its branches safe. Available in 2 models, they're adapted to different types of fruit and are on average 8 times faster than manual harvesting. Easy to use with impeccable efficiency, this machine is equipped with an ergonomic vibration isolating handle. You can comfortably use it throughout the workday thanks to its exceptional battery life. Super Champ SL is durable, reliable in operation, and extremely robust. This means up to 30,000 operating hours with low maintenance costs. Thanks to the powerful and reliable Mercedes-Benz engine, the machine is the ideal high-performance partner for large companies, contractors, and many company groups. Thanks to the powerful 6-cylinder MTU engine of the latest generation with an output of 210 kilowatts, the Super Champ SL operates at maximum productivity, at a significantly reduced operating speed. All shredding and mixing processes take place at 1400 RPM, and even travel at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour is within this low-speed range. The result? Uncompromising performance on demand, smooth running, economical, material, and environmental protection. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.